Our latest sketch release brings some big improvements to prototyping. One being that you can now create scroll areas within Artboards. It opens up a whole new world of interactivity. From a simple scrollable group of cards to a full screen map you can move in any direction. Setting up scroll areas is fast and easy. You can edit them in seconds and adjust them right on the canvas. It all starts with the content that we're going to make scrollable. In this case, we have a row of cards that are quite a bit wider than the artboard. Now, this part's optional, but since it's difficult to see and edit things that are getting clipped outside the bounds of the artboard, it really helps to select the cards and turn them into a symbol. I'll just name it Card Row. This way, anytime we need to see the whole row of cards, we can head to the symbol source. Back on our artboard, with our new symbol instance selected, we'll head to the Prototype tab of the inspector and click the new Make Scrollable button. The scroll direction will default to the longer axis of the group, in this case horizontal. But we can choose from horizontal scrolling, vertical scrolling, or both. On the canvas, you'll see orange handles that let us adjust the scroll area. You'll notice the scroll area automatically constrained itself to the width of the artboard to save us a step. I'll just drag the left handle to the left edge of the artboard so the scroll area spans all the way across. Done deal. Let's preview this in the prototype player. There we go. With my cursor over the scroll area, I'm just using 2 fingers on my trackpad to scroll like I would in any other window on my Mac. Back on the canvas, the anatomy of a scroll area is simple. Making this group scrollable automatically added a mask to the bottom of the group that defines the scrollable area. And the layers clipped to that mask are the content that scrolls. That's simple. In this example, we have a map that's both taller and wider than the artboard it's on. Again, we'll turn this into a symbol, so we can easily see or edit the entire map from the symbol source later. With our map instance selected, let's head to the Prototype tab, and once again click on the Make Scrollable button. This time, multi-directional scroll was enabled automatically, giving us handles on the canvas to adjust both the height and the width of the scroll area. But again, the scroll area was automatically clamped down to the bounds of the artboard, which is exactly what we want for a full screen map. So in one step, we're ready to rock. Let's preview it in the Prototype player. There we go. Back on the canvas, we can also move the map to change the position it starts in, and even nest this entire scrolling map group into a symbol. This way, anywhere in our prototype we want to use this map, the scrolling will come along with it. One more thing. When it's time for a collaborator to view this prototype on the web, we've added some new options when you share from the preview window, like whether to show or hide hotspot hints, which is great for user testing, and the ability to turn off the navigation and toolbar to keep viewers focused on your prototypes. If you choose to keep the toolbar enabled, we've also added the ability to view and add comments directly within the prototype player. That means no more scribbling down notes in a different app or having to exit the prototype to add comments. Now the only thing left to do is go update Sketch and create some scrolling prototypes of your own.